Chapter 9, Proprietary Funds, GASB 34 Issues. GASB Statement 34, Special Problems of Reporting Proprietary Funds in Government-Wide Statements. The problems with internal service funds. Duplicate reported expenses or expenditures when closing the books. Costs and revenues are reported twice within the same set of financial statements because they are internal users. The activity is within the state and local government. Depreciation is transferred to other governmental funds. Detract from objectivity of financial statements. Obscure fund balance surpluses or deficits. Surpluses, deficits can be transferred from the general fund to the internal service fund. Terminating an internal service fund. Transfer internal service funds assets to another fund which will continue the same activity. Terminate activity and distribute assets in kind to other fund or funds. Convert internal service funds assets to cash and distribute cash to another fund or funds. Revenue bonds. Revenue bonds are backed by specific revenue streams such as dedicated taxes or user charges. Business-type activities of governments are often supported by revenue bonds. For state and local government entities, these are enterprise funds. Revenue bonds are also issued by not-for-profit entities including healthcare organizations, universities, and museums. Summary: proprietary funds, internal service, and enterprise are used to account for the business-type activities of a government. Accrual accounting is used for proprietary funds, and the required financial statements are the same as those for a for-profit, except the GASB standards must be used where they apply. Internal service funds are reported as governmental activities on the government-wide statements. So they are proprietary funds, but because there are internal users, these are shown in the government-wide statements along with the governmental activities. Regulatory accounting terminology and principles are used by some government-owned utilities.